Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AREC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, to summarize today's price movement in just trading jargon, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Tuesday, the price closed down there, and then this morning the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And then after the market opened up, that was actually quite nice. I mean, the price moved. But for the unexperienced, there are poor souls buying up around this area. And then from there, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that took place. But now it's just a question of, can things get turned around? Is there going to be any sort of additional movements? Or is this thing just going to drop right back to where it was? Because as you can see here, as I squeeze down the chart, I mean, the price is still up at levels that have not been seen for a very long time. So we'll zoom back in here. But really, it's a matter of, can this start to bounce back up? Obviously, if the price just continues to move downwards, well, then that's not any sort of sign of bullishness at all. But even if the price does bounce upwards a little bit, you still want to make sure that it's actually strong. And what do I mean by actually strong? Well, how does it behave relative to areas of resistance? Meaning if it goes up to resistance levels and then just punches them in the face and gets right through, well, at that point, okay, yeah, and that movement would actually be genuinely strong. But you want to be careful where you don't, fall into some sort of dead cat bounce where it's not actually truly strong movement. But the first key level of resistance to watch in any sort of attempted bounce going to be right there at 315. And then if the price can push up through 315, next key level after that, right up there at the $4 mark. So those, in my opinion, at least, are going to be the two very revealing levels of resistance that'll help kind of answer any questions of, okay, how strong actually is the movement? So keep your eye on those levels moving forward, and let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.